Hello friends, I'm Mudit Dolakia and we are going to look today at data-driven tweaks to Dognition's strategy. Here the goal is to increase the Dognition's completed test counts. Why we are doing that? Because dogs are human beings' most loyal friends, so it is our moral duty as well to take care of their well-being as well. So let's start by looking at what exactly the data analysis says from the overview of the data that has been provided to us by Dognition team. It says there are a number of dogs within the data set and there are a certain number of users. Now definitely looking at this data set, we can definitely say that total users are less because a user might have multiple dogs as well. We have the way to filter it by diversity, number of sign-in count, then we can tweak it based on breed type, and when we tweak it based on breed type, we can see that keeping one category off for the breed grays out a country. That means that breed is the only breed available in the dataset for that country. We can also see number of dogs each country wise. So this clearly says that United States has most Dognition footprint within the dataset. You can further see different state within USA for the Dognition footprint, and California is the highest into that. While analyzing, I've also find out that country that is within the South African region says NA, and there are around 6,000 plus dog IDs which have been kept there, but the country has not been mapped. Certainly, that is something to look as a data quality issue. Let us dive into testing matrices. Looking at this stacked bar chart initially, we clearly see that this green stack is more effective, or you can say more eye-catchy. That means the pure breed has high number of testing counts within the dataset, but definitely we are not focused on a certain breed, definitely. So if we are considering all the breeds together, the popular hybrid is having less saturation of test. That means Dognition has to work there to increase the test count for popular hybrid breed type. Over here, we are also facing certain data quality issues. As you can see, there is a null value over here as well. There is a breed type as a null. We have null and zero within the breed group. So definitely to make this data actionable, certain data quality issues needs to be addressed. Now if I see the actionable data for each of the breed type, I see that I want count of non-tested and non-fixed dogs. This is the actionable data. Now breed type is something that we need to consider, and based on that we will have to make sure that these tests and these breeds are also getting DNA tested, and these dogs should get fixed as well. So at the end, using this analysis, we can recommend the Dognition team that they need to improve the data quality using certain standard processes where user need to compulsorily fill those fields in without having left them as it is. Now we have top two countries as USA and Canada where Dognition footprint is maximum. So we need to first focus there for all breed types, and then third point says that apart from that they need to focus on all the countries where the Dognition footprint is less. The fourth point says that pure breed and mixed breed IO should be focused to increase the test counts because we can see that there are less number of tests available for those kind of breeds. And the fifth one supports the conclusion that the strategy should be to have a global footprint of data. And at the end, we conclude that data analysis clearly shows that data quality issues, we need to improve the data feeding. A global outreach is required, and the dog that are tested, we can say if they are happy, we are happy too. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have a good day.